Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine a TV that doesn't just display your favorite shows and movies, but completely immerses you in them. That's exactly what the Samsung UN75U7900F 75-inch Class U7900 Series 4K UHD Smart TV promises to deliver, and I'm excited to share my hands-on experience with you. First off, let's talk about the brain behind this operation, the Crystal Processor 4K. This powerful engine is what makes all the magic happen, from enhancing picture quality to ensuring seamless smart TV performance. With the Crystal Processor 4K, you get to enjoy incredibly vivid colors, deep blacks, and crisp details that bring every scene to life. Whether you're watching a fast-paced action movie or a dramatic series, this processor ensures that every frame is optimized for the best viewing experience. And the best part? It's designed to learn and adapt to your viewing habits over time, so the more you watch, the better it gets. Another feature that really stands out is the 4K upscaling capability. We've all been there. You find an old favorite movie or show that you just can't get enough of, but it's not available in 4K. That's where the Samsung UN75U7900F comes in, using its advanced upscaling technology to transform lower-resolution content into stunning 4K. The result is a picture that's remarkably close to native 4K quality, with minimal loss of detail or clarity. This means you can enjoy your entire library of content, old and new, in the best possible quality, without having to worry about compatibility issues. Now, let's not forget about the stunning MetalStream design of this TV. I mean, just look at it. The sleek, minimalist aesthetic is sure to turn heads in any living room. But it's not just about looks. The metal construction also provides exceptional durability and resistance to scratches and other forms of wear and tear. And with the slim profile, you can easily mount it on the wall or place it on a stand, whichever suits your style. The attention to detail in the design is truly impressive, from the subtle curves to the premium materials used throughout. It's clear that Samsung has put a lot of thought into creating a TV that's not just a device, but a statement piece for your home. As I've been using the Samsung UN75U7900F, I've been consistently blown away by its performance and features. From the impressive picture quality to the intuitive smart TV interface, every aspect of this TV is designed to provide an exceptional viewing experience. And with its sleek design and advanced technology, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. So, if you're in the market for a new TV that truly delivers, I highly recommend checking out the Samsung UN75U7900F. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get ready to take your viewing experience to the next level. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. This TV is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.